Close your eyes and imagine there's a work lamp in your hand. How does it feel? Heavy? Made of metal? Hi guys, welcome to Lucidity TV studio. You might be a little bit confused why this work lamp doesn't look as heavy as the others. Let me tell you the difference between traditional aluminum housing and the thermoconductive plastic housing. Compared to the aluminum, thermoconductive plastic can reduce the weight by nearly 40%. The less weight a work lamp has, the less chance to be broken by the road bumps. There are still a lot of advantages to using thermoconductive plastic material. Besides the light weight, the plastic has higher resistance to corrosion, which means you don't have to keep an eye on it all the time. Of course, the waterproof factor is essential in all of our products. Custom colors are available to make your vehicle more unique. This unique and outstanding product series is eco-friendly too. The manufacturing process creates less CO2 emission. Our thermoconductive plastic housing LED work lamp series has 3 products you can choose from, number 22846, 22847, and 22864. All are available in variable voltages. The size of the 22846 is very tiny. There are 3 LEDs inside, and it is IP67 to resist dust and water. Another product, 22847, has 6 LEDs on the side, and it is IP69K. The best product in our plastic housing family is 22864. With 9 LEDs inside, it provides the brightest light beam, IP69K as well. The thermoconductive plastic housing LED work lamp will be the best choice when you are looking for something lightweight, durable, and eco-friendly in your product. Now you know the thermoconductive plastic housing LED work lamp from Lucidity. Business and innovation evolve to simplicity. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Lucidity.